My name is Brian England. I'm the owner of Sylvester's Burgers. We got our finals for our 5-pound burger competition today. Over the last 2 months, people have been qualifying in Atascadero and Los Osos. And today we took the 2 best times from Los Osos, 2 best from Atascadero, and they're all going up against our all-time champion, Pat Bear, for $1,000. Favorite to win it? Either Pat Bear or I like the mom with the 12-minute qualifying time.
Atascadero, I did their 5-pound burger, so did it in 12 minutes and 17 seconds. I'm saying I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win this thing.
Went down Tuesday and at the Atascadero and done their 5-pound burger. I am proclaiming victory. I feel sorry for her. I mean, I understand she's got a child, but it's food and I'm fat.
You may soak it, you may breathe it in if you want to, but I don't recommend it. Knife is okay. If you regurgitate it, it's okay as long as you eat it. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Come on, Pat, let's go. Don't stop, Mark. Go, Mark. Struggling. Hey, keep going. Yeah. Atta girl, come on. Get it down, get it down. I don't know, it looks like she's winning.
Come on, Tammy!
Tammy, go, Tammy, go!
Hey, you got this, Ross.
Let's go, John.
$1,000
on the line, 2.5 minutes.
Come on, Pat, let's go. Get it down, buddy, come on. I don't know, it looks like she's winning.
Come on, Tammy!
Tammy, go, Tammy, go!
Hey, you got this, Ross.
Let's go, John.
$1,000
$1,000 on the line, 2.5 minutes.
Come on, Pat, let's go. Get it down, buddy. Hey, somebody get a trash can.
He says no trash can.
You didn't need it, man. How long you gotta hold it down for?
Doug Drees making a run. Bites for Doug Drees.
Let's go, Glory. Get him, Ross.
Pushing 8 minutes. Doug Drees on his last bites. Hold it down, Doug Drees. Hold it down. Watch the knife.
Hey, there's a pickle over there by the knife. Get it.
Hey, don't shoot the pickle.
Go.
Keep the knife away.
Pat Bear close behind. Pat Bear coming up behind.
Come on. 8 minutes. 8:10. 8:10.
One more piece of lettuce, Doug. One more piece of lettuce. You got that. Whoa, wait for a swallow.
You gotta keep it down.
You gotta keep it down.
Yeah! 8 minutes and 32 seconds. Doug Drees, 8 minutes and 32 seconds. He has to hold it down to win. He has to hold it down.
What's up, baby? Hey, can I get an order of French fries?
Yeah. Say that again.
8:32.
Say it again.
Can I get an order of French fries?
That's what I love.
Doug is ordering French fries now.
Pat's got one
Paying
more
for the
bite.
honeymoon.
He's got it.
Oh!
He's got 2
We got a second place.
Oh, we got second
Pat
place.
Bear putting his last bite in his mouth.
What about what's in his beard?
11:20 for
Last bite is down for Pat Bear. Swallow, Pat. We'll get a time.
Leah.
That's right.
11:20.
You brought a cheering crew. Come on, let's hear it, guys.
Yeah! You can do it!
I love you, man.
You got a new fan over there too.
Look at that. You're just making fans by the minute.
Doug Drees is our winner. Doug Drees is our winner.
32 seconds.
Go, Clappy.
Doug Drees, $1,000. 2011 champion.
Well, I wolfed down that 5.5 pound burger, and after I stood up, it all dropped to my gut, and I'm feeling it, but I'm holding it down, and I'm ready to go have some dinner with my family. Hopefully competitors try again next year, and I'll be here again next year.